Ah, first belt casualty, I think, guys. I may have smoked the belt, taking one of my friends for a ride. So, smoked it. Belt was smoking out of the hood. I heard a thump. I don't hear a whine. So I think I need to buy a few belts. I think we centered too hard. I saw the smoke. I heard the pop. And we smoked the belt, bros. The joys of breaking things in. Look at this right here. Where is it? It's extra curly here. It's extra gunky right there. Oh yeah, bud. Oh yeah, bud. We sent her too hard, bud. We stripped her down, bud. We lost her. Good job, belt. You can sit there. It's a little dirty under here. Some melted beltness. Issue is this one. The tensioner. It don't spin. So it chews the belt up. The issue is obvious. You can see it right there. We had the screw back out. So I bought new Loctite. And I'm going to go through all of these and re-Loctite all of the hardware to make sure it is good. Got a new one, local Napa. I ordered 2 more online, but I want to drive this, so I got this one, even though this one cost 3 times as much as the one I got online to match the one that was actually on there. So this brand, and this number is a little different. This is the 1702. They said it's supposed to work, blah blah blah. We'll find out in a minute. So it's just a little longer, but I'm like, dude, it's a procharger. Like, I just want my belt to be exactly right how they had it. Okay, so good old Permatex Loctite high strength red. Got them all, checked them all, checked these, made sure they were good. I'm gonna finish blowing off some stuff. The rubber's like melted and burnt into this plastic. So I'll see if I get some like alcohol or something to clean that off. But it's back together. It was 100 today. It's getting a little nicer out here. I got the new belt on. I think it's going to work. I might have to adjust this a little. There might be a little play right there. But I got everything cleaned up. I loosened that up and retightened it and put some Loctite in it. And that spins a lot better now. So I like that. We'll keep an eye on that. Maybe I'll have to hit them up and give me some new bearings. I'm not sure. It was just kind of weird how it was super stiff and clanky. There you go, guys. Sometimes you just send it too hard, bud. You blow stuff up. Welcome to the world of modification and cars. It's never boring. Let's just say that. There's always something. But it's fun when you get to drive them. The faces, the smiling faces you gotta see in the last reaction video was awesome, is why I do it. Hanging out with car guys, enjoying cars with car guys. It's been awesome. So there we go. We fixed her. Got a new belt. Checked everything over. I think we're ready for race week, race night, drag night, test and tune. I don't know, whatever they're going to call it. Took it for a test drive. Everything seems good. Night came. I don't go out because of the deer. So tomorrow, on my way to town, I will drive it again. We will make sure it's all good. And we're back on the road, ready for race week. All right, guys. All this EPA talk and friends and people and acquaintances I know and other YouTubers and stuff are getting hammered with these fines and letters and all this crazy stuff, and it really sucks. One of my goals that I've been working on is to get a shop so I can do this kind of stuff more permanently through YouTube and not on YouTube, and have a restoration and a rebuild shop and a performance shop and do some of the stuff that you've seen on the channel. That's one of my ultimate goals that I've had since I was in high school, is to have my own shop to do those things. That's been a goal of mine. And with all the stuff going on, they're basically trying to take that away. And if you've seen the PFI and JH Diesel, and he dropped and he has fines, and Burton Racing, my buddies over there who have hooked me up and have been a supporter of the channel with computers and ECUs and injectors and other stuff, have all started to get hit with this stuff, and it's ridiculous. So a few years back, 2018, I was in a bad place. I was struggling. An investment deal was going bad, and partners were stealing, and things were happening, and I was trying to build a house, and I had another kid on the way, and life just got like so freaking crazy, and it was so stressful and like depressing and overwhelming. And I started building the house, and contractors stealing crap, and like people aren't showing up and not finishing jobs, and it was just a freaking train wreck. My life was a mess. I became friends with people on YouTube, and I started doing YouTube, for the heck of it. Maybe get some money, maybe not. Something to show my kids in the future, help people out and learn stuff in the automotive world, and meet these awesome people that do and love what I love. We had a Honda YouTube challenge, like build off, going on that I got invited to. I thought it'd be fun to do, and so I tried to do it. So I started searching the internet. I found an all-wheel drive CRV. It says great. I got it for the cheap. It's all-wheel drive. It's manual. Let's put a turbo on it. Let's build it. Let's do it. And I hit up PFI and said, hey, it'd be cool if you can help me out and get this tuned, and we can maybe get something going. And Goofy Bill was getting his channel going. So we kind of did a collab, and me and Goofy hung out for a weekend, and we built this engine, and Brent and Kyle and those guys, they helped fix some problems, and we got things sorted. And we had issues and whatnot. It happens. It's cars. We had fun, and I made some awesome friends and acquaintances through this experience, and they don't understand how much that weekend helped me and how much I needed that weekend. And they were willing to drop what they're doing and help me out and do these things for me. A strange dude who lives 9 hours away in southern Utah. He's building this silly car and wants some help and to get it tuned out so we can go race. And we all know how solid and awesome Brent and Jamie and those guys are, and Goofy Bill and Shane. They're just solid people who were there for me when I really needed support and help. And I just owe them so much, and I'm just so grateful that I've been able to meet up with them other times and chat with them and personally text them, call them, and ask them questions, and have a relationship outside of YouTube with them. So that being said, we all know how awesome Brent is. We know he is super genuine, and he's a legit dude, and he shares all his emotions on his sleeve with everybody in videos, the goods and the bads, and they got hit with these fines. And I'm in a better position now in life, and I have some really cool cars, Procharger 15 1LE, and I got this sick 3-rotor big turbo FD RX-7 with all kinds of crazy stuff, and I'm just so blessed. But the EPA people want to freaking take it away. They want to take away what I love. They want to make these cars illegal, that I can't put stuff on them and drive them and modify them and have fun with it. And it kind of sucks, guys, because I've had this goal forever. I've been wanting to do this, and I've worked so hard to progress and get things going in that direction and be building these cars and work on getting even a bigger shop where I'd love to have a dyno and bring Brent over and dyno people's stuff from California and Vegas, which is not too far away, LA. And then he come stay here and dyno people's cars for a few days. I don't know, like there's stuff I want to do and they just don't want us to do it. Like, it just sucks. It's freaking America. They're trying to control our lives. They're acting like we're destroying the earth when, like JH was saying, like these diesel exhaust fluid, how much pollution is made to make those plastic bottles and process the liquid and ship it and deliver it and create the packaging for it and print the labels. Like, it just makes no freaking sense to me. It just is ridiculous. And all they're trying to do is get more money in their pocket and control what they think is the case, and it's just ridiculous. Hey guys, with that said, I really want to help Brent and Jamie and the PFISPEED crew and Goofy Built and them. Like, they've done so much. So I had an idea. I want to throw it out there that it's something we could do, and I'm more than happy to do it. I'm not losing anything, but it's a cool way that I can help them out. They got hit with that $18,000 fine, and he wants to fight it, and I want to help support, and I would love to help pay for lawyers and stuff. And I feel like I can with your help, and with the help of signing the RPM Act and raising some funds, and he has to GoFundMe and things like that. It's awesome, and that might take more money and time, and I'm willing to donate some more of my money and stuff and my time that I put into this car here to help them out. So here's the idea. Do like a 1,500 spot raffle for what's $50. It will pay for the car. It will pay for me to ship it somewhere. I'll give the winner cash for new tires, to change the hood out or to get it finished, and to do other things that they would want to do to the car. And then I think I can, we can raise $25,000 for PFISPEED by doing the raffle and giving this procharger away to someone to really enjoy. It is super fun. It's a super cool setup. Has all the awesome packages. Now with the legit procharger setup, like it's just so fun, guys. It is awesome. So with that being said, like that's something I'm throwing out there that we could probably do. I want to cap it so it gives people an awesome chance to win. I'll give all the parts to turn it back to stock and everything I have for the Camaro and the car cover, and I'll ship it to a person in the United States who can do it, and like it's an option. And I'd love to help out PFI, donate $25,000, which would be sick if we could do it. Or more if it turns out more after the car is paid off and the supercharger kit and stuff's all covered. And like, this could be awesome. Someone can win this car for $50 and have a chance to support some awesome guys that have really helped me and supported me when I really needed it. Okay guys, I really want to get these cars going. I really want to do this more. I don't want them to shut us down. I don't want them to take away our rights to modify and have fun and build race cars and do it legally. So let me know if that is an option I am willing to do, if people are willing to do it. Let me know what you think. All right, guys, make sure you like, subscribe, follow along. More stuff coming. More stuff coming on the RX-7. That part right there, it's here. So hit that subscription, notification bell. Don't miss out what we're doing. More coming.